Whether you're a shop owner or general manager, running a successful repair shop takes teamwork, and having the right suppliers in your corner is a must. Slip and Grip is just one of those suppliers that starts working for you before you even have that first service repair order signed. From steering and seat covers to maintenance reminder tags, Slip and Grip are the #1 choice among repair centers across the nation. Let's hear from Casey GripWhether about those tools.
I'm Casey GripWhether with Slip N Grip. We're a manufacturer of interior protection supplies, plastic floor mats, seat covers, steering wheel covers, tire bags, oil change labels. We're here. We sell our products through distribution. We manufacture in Morristown, Tennessee, and sell them. So yeah, this is the Codex label printer. So we program 24 standard messages in this, so you can do tire rotations, oil change, transmissions, and you can it's auto calculated. So all you have to do is put in the current mileage, load this with labels, and it prints out the date. Auto calculates the date to 90 days out, and auto calculates 3,000 miles. You can also calculate it to 5,000 miles and 7,500 miles, and also 180 days out. So the technician doesn't have to do the math; it just auto calculates. Perfect. So we manufacture the oil change labels in white or clear. Have the ink ribbons, and this printer is pre-programmed with the standard messages. So all you have to do is load the labels and ink in here, plug it in. It's a standalone unit, and it prints out the mileage and the date.
Perfect. If you're interested in finding a local distributor, or if you are interested in becoming a Slip and Grip distributor, please contact them at 855-999-4764 or email them at info@slipandgrip.com. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and to turn on your notification bell to all. Here's another video you can check out, or one that YouTube thinks you may enjoy.